In this video I'm going to show you the new Microsoft PC Manager that has been released by Microsoft. Apparently this allows you to do a few things. One is to boost your PC, clean up your PC, check your health check, see what processes are running, do some cleanup. So let's see what it actually does. The first thing you need to do is go to the URL, then click on download. It says to open the Microsoft Store. Let's see. Okay, so let's get it. It's not doing anything. Let's try again. Get. Okay, so that didn't really work. Let's see. Open. Okay, so start automatically when it signs in. Let's try that. Okay. So welcome to the Microsoft PC Manager 3.3 experience. Boot. Use this handy tool to access. Okay, let's try it out. Let's put it on the taskbar. So these are the toolbox. Let's go to home. PC boost. It's got 1.8 gig temporary files. Let's see whether boost does anything. Okay, it's reducing the temporary files. So it went from 1.8 gig to 94 megs. That's pretty good. So it's probably deleting a lot of the temp files. So released. Memory usage has also decreased as well. Let's do a health check. Okay, so there's quite a few things. We've already done the cleanup. Startups you can disable. So really not much to do here. Processes, it's already done the. What about this deep cleanup? It shows that there's a lot of files maybe that are Windows temporary files that you can probably delete. So 200 megs, Windows updates, the Defender, temporary files, prefetch, remote desktop cache. Okay, that's interesting. That's almost 300 megs. Clipboard, not much. Device driver packages. Yeah, let's go for that. There are some application cache. It's not really much. Web cache, Internet Explorer cache, Edge cache. Come on, go for that. So cleaning up about a gig. So this is a free tool. I guess it has its benefits. So it's done the deep cleanup. Startup is 7 seconds. You can select which tools you wanna start up and which apps. The toolbox, you can do screenshots. What does this notepad do? Oh, it opens up notepad. Screenshot folder, calculator, just some tools. Do you really need this here? No, I don't think so. Calculator. Okay, yep, that brings up the calculator. So not really that's handy. I mean, if you had the option to add your own custom tools, that would have been better. And over here is basically promoting its own Microsoft links like Bing, Edge. You can add a custom link here as well if you wanted to, but not ability to use different tools or custom tools here. What about this app? Show running processes. So these are some of the running processes. You can end them if you wanted to, which is basically the same as going to Task Manager. So if you go to Task Manager here, you can also go and end a process here. guess this makes it a little bit easier for those that are not very technical. That looks like that's about it. So this is first time using it and has its benefits. Like always, if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you can receive future notifications of when I publish a video. See you next time.